Leaves everywhere from a hailstorm. Filming this. There's leaves everywhere. It's the whole ground.
See, when you drive down the road, they're green.
They're all green. There's holes in them too, most of them. When little leaves there, all across the yard. You gotta see what the tennis is like, and then there's the roof of the house. There's part of the garage. And over here, good bit. All these leaves here. This is from the hailstorm last night. Baseball-sized hail. It's crazy. Oh, look where we were watching with all these lights on. That went up. See all these just limbs. They're just coming right out of these trees here. And here's our tennis court. I haven't gotten a view from this angle. There's more down on the other side. So, nothing picknicked up. There's just pieces of leaves. Hail broke them right and blew them up. Okay, so there's leaves across the court. See, that's sort of small hail. Look at that one. I think I tumbled. Alright. Clumps of leaves and stuff like that all over the place. Alrighty. So, there's the storm for you.